welcome again. This is the voice of Cosmos View, and on today's design, we'll be creating a birthday design. So we'll have to create a birthday design, or we'll be designing it from scratch. So this is how we'll go about it. So first of all, let me say we'll make use of 140. So sorry for the interruption. So we have to change our image size. So let me delete this, please. So we'll go to our image size here, and this is our image size, and we click on it. So our image size will be making use of let me say 210, and this one should be around 262. Yeah, 260. That should do. Let's see. Okay, I guess this is what we're going to do here. So the next thing that we're going to do, we have to change the color background. So we have to change the color background, and our color background we'll be using here is let's say color white. We'll be making use of color white. Okay, I guess this is okay. So now the next thing we have to do now, we start importing elements or various elements that we're going to use in the graphic design. So we're creating a birthday design. Please don't forget, we're creating a birthday design. So the first thing first, let me import my image first. Let me import my image, the image we're going to be using. So we're going to be using this. Okay, I guess this is okay. So let's keep it. I'll keep this locked, and I'll keep it locked and invisible. So while we go on with the next one, so now we'll come here and we'll add our text, and you say birthday this we're creating. So we'll go to our text and edit it, and we'll click happy, HAPPY, happy. Okay, that's good to go. Happy. So we'll change the font type. Let me use Montserrat since I'm more familiar with it, and I'll make use of extra bold. I think extra bold is okay for it. Or let's say extra bold, medium, semi bold. Let me say semi bold. No, semi bold still looks a little bit not too visible. Let's see bold. Okay, I guess the bold is okay. Then we'll change the color to black so it will look more darkened. Okay, and we'll copy our next one, which is we just need to just copy and paste this, and edit it and change it to birthday. So birthday, that's it. Okay, so that's a birthday here. Okay, I guess happy. Okay, maybe I have to, let me make this not all small letter. Let me just make the first letter capital. Okay, I guess this is okay, and then we'll make this one as well. Okay, B should be capital. Okay, let me reduce the size of this as well to approximately 90. Then this should be around let me see, It's much. The other one is 90. I guess this should be 85. Let's see. I guess 85 is okay. So it will just be 5. The difference should just be 5. So now we've created this, and we'll have to make this look a little bit realistic. What do I mean? We'll be adding a form of like a flare effect. So how do you derive a flare effect? Like making it a little bit blurry. So all you just have to just do is you click on your shape here, shape, and this is it. Then go over to your gradient, and let me show you how to make this effect. This effect. Now you go to your shape, you go to your gradient. Let me start this all over again. Then I click on the plus sign. Okay, so when you click on the plus sign, you use this one, the black, gray and white color. You click on it. Once you click on it, now let me show you how to make this effect here. Once you go over to it, then you switch over. You switch this over. This will come over to this place. And you make this. You change the color. Take it to the back. You see that, and then you have to choose this. Let me underline it. This one here, you can't. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. The fourth one here, you choose on the fourth one here. So once you go on the fourth one, and you want this to come a little bit closer, because we're trying to get the flare effect. Come a little bit closer. No, beg your pardon. This is it. You drag the white a little bit and you click on OK. Okay. Now let me take it backwards. I guess. Okay. And now we have to reduce the opacity, so we won't let it to be that obvious. So we reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. I guess 45. Let's see how 45 looks like. Okay. Okay. So I guess 45 is okay. Then we'll copy this and we'll do the same for the bed as well. Okay. Now we adding this just gives the thing a little bit touch of difference, just like a style. Okay, this is okay. Let me take it up a little. Okay. Okay, so now if you want to really see the effect of this, you go and change. If you change your background to this, now can you see? You're seeing that whitish flare effect. So we can even make it a little bit more adjustable, so we can get a perfect result. So let's take this. Okay, and that's it. Probably let's increase the opacity and see. Let's increase the opacity. The opacity here is at 45. Let's set it at 50 and then see. Okay, let's do the same thing for this. Okay, so let's take this back to our white background. Okay, we've now adjusted for this. Okay, let's take it a little bit up. Now that's it for that. Okay, so the next thing I will do now is to look for a way to fix our image. So let's fix our image. Let's make it visible. We made it to be not visible, so click here and we'll make it, and then unlock it, and let's take it to the top. Okay, so this is the top of it. Okay, it's still not at the top. Yeah, now it's not at the top. Now you see that it's not looking. We want it to face the other side. So what you do is to just go to. There are different ways to achieve this. It's either you go to this rotate 3D. You see what you can do. You see, so let's just say I see. So it's either you go to this rotate 3D, or you click on crop, and then you will see the functions here. Either you want to take it here or you want to take it here. Look at, sorry, pardon my, this is it. So there are different ways to achieve this. So let's place it. Let's lock our text so that it won't get interrupted. Okay, so let's place it here. I guess here is okay. Okay, so later on we'll make the necessary adjustments in the color. So we'll add our shape. Let's add our shape here. So let's change this to circle. Okay, and probably let's use color red. Is this red? Is this red? Is this red? I'm looking for pure red. Let's see. This is pure red. Okay, that's it. Then I want to do more of this. I have to copy. If you want to get a perfect shape as a beginner, so what you do, the first one, this first one here, you have to make use of this alignment, the center alignment, which is the relative position. So click on it and we'll click here. Make sure that it's properly centered so that we'll get a perfect position, and we'll get a perfect position. Then we'll come over to the next one. We do the same thing. We'll come here, make it to be on its perfect position, and then to avoid the scenario whereby you get all confused, not knowing the particular which is which and everything. We change this color of the second one. Let's just say we change it to color white. Okay, you see now is on top of it, and then we kind of resize it. Let's resize this. Okay, let's see how this is. I need a perfect. Okay, let's resize it more. This is too much. Okay, let's see how 51 goes. Okay, I guess this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So then the next thing we'll do again is to copy this as well. We're trying to achieve something here, so copy this, take it also to its relative center, and then give it another color. Let's say this color, or maybe a perfect, excuse me, maybe a perfect yellow. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm still not getting my yellow color. Okay, this is okay. And then resize it as well. Let's resize it. The initial one was on 51. Let's see how 41 we do. Okay, I guess 41 seems okay. So the next thing we'll do here is to group these three shapes together. Let's group these three shapes together. I hope I'm not burning much time. Let's group these three shapes together. So we group it. If you want to group, this is what you do. Where this brush is marked, this here is how to group them. Once you click on it, it will show you boxed of like where you can tick. So the next thing you do here is to just click on this, and then you merge it. This merging here, this is the merging here. This is what will merge it. We'll merge the three of them together. So we click on the merge, and then voila, our three shapes are meshed together. So we'll go back and then position this here. Yes, so this is not exactly how it looks like. So we'll have to send it to the back of the picture. Drag this here, so it's appearing at the back of the picture. So I want this to look more realistic. Let's see. Okay, let me see how this appears. Okay, I guess this is good. This is good. Okay, so now the next thing I will do, I guess this video is getting long, and I will have to end it while we continue on the next one.